Welcome to Blender. So today we are doing squares, square patterns, stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and switch out this EV to cycles. We'll go with shading right here. You're going to need the principal BSDF and the material output. We'll keep the default cube right here as the guinea pig. And we will add in a texture, and we're going to go with Veroni. So we're going to go with color to base color. And all you want to do is turn down the randomness within this. And we can go ahead and add in a color ramp, just as such. You want to go ahead and add your desired tones into here. So we'll go with plus, and maybe we can do green on this one. Just turn that up a little bit, and then we can do blue for this. Let's go ahead and just move this downwards just a little bit. I think if you want to fill in all these squares, we're going to have to go and place multiple different stamps here. So we can do blue, we can do red. Let's pull that up a little bit more. So you're going to have colours between colours as well with this. So let's go plus as well. Browns there, pinks, purples, turquoise. Whatever you'd like, really. And that's how you make this kind of pattern. So you just need these little parameters right here, and you have it right here, and it's in the shading tab. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.